Yesterday was a beautiful day, expansion day, and this is something that was very much on the cards. In fact, yeah, so it was a great day trading gold bullish, right, yesterday. Now today, if we look at it, in fact, let me just get back here. So there are certain considerations here, right? Obviously, so bottom line is that if I go on a daily chart, right, let me start from here. It's extremely bullish, right? And now we have this order block, as you see, on a daily chart. And this is the midpoint of the order block, right? It's 3353.0. This is the order block, right? 3353.0. Any retracement to this would be very, very healthy, especially around the midpoint of the order block, and then expansion, right? It already, yesterday's price action took some of these highs, but then the next one are going to be these highs, right? So this high, this high, the thing that we have to determine is what's a good trade location. So one is 3353.0. Now the other is, now this is another one, right? 334, that is 53, by the way, right? This is 43. Now this, what is this? This is exactly from this low that was made, right? This is the daily low at the swing low to the high. So I'm considering the entire range, and if it gets to 3343, it would be a great entry point. Uh, whether the price can get here or not, I'm not sure, right? So the other dealing range, the sort of, you can say, modified dealing range, can be from this low, which is the start of the week, right? This is the end walk. It started quite bullishly out of, from Sunday open, and this is where it's sort of coinciding, right? Which is again with a 4-hour low, 3368.6. So I think this would be a very likely retracement target. Then the price can actually expand, or the other scenario, as I was talking about, that it actually comes through a deeper retracement, next this one, which will also be in the daily order block that we just talked about, around close to the 50%, and then expand. So these are the two scenarios that I'm looking at. Okay. Now for swing trading, the way and again, I've been only trading swing trading gold, as I told you guys, right? Here is what my plan is, that because I'm not sure whether this would be the thing or here, even though the drawn liquidity is very clear to me, on touch of this one, taking this 368.6, I will add half of my swing position, and then I will add another half if it gets here, right, which is 3347.6, and that would be my play, right, with my stop loss being just half of this wick, like something like this. So I already have it all in my thing. So right here, 3290.5. Just a tick or so below that would be my stop, right? And then again, this is for swing trading. For any of you, just wanted to give my insights into what I see on this. Hey guys, it's June 5th. I thought I'll make a quick video as a follow-up to my last one, right, where I talked about gold price action and overall a bullish bias based on higher time frame and what we can expect. So if you remember, uh, the last video I talked about potentially this as a point from where it would reverse, and this, right? So it did reverse from here, and it actually made a low. And then if you look at it, how it reached this high, okay, the daily high, which happened earlier today. Okay, so you see there was just one buy side liquidity taken, and typically with gold, what you see is a retracement, right? After especially external liquidity, it sort of creates and builds some more liquidity, purge some liquidity on the opposite side, and again expand. Now, based on the higher time frame, my bias for gold is 3449.5, and then eventually to 3475.7. All right, and this is where it's trading right now. So if I get to a little bit closer look, right, if I see a closer look in terms of what we can potentially expect from here on, because this daily high has been taken out, let me just make this as a daily high, which was today's high, right? Now, if I look at the daily low here, right, one of the potential, especially if I am in a swing trade from earlier on, it's fine. But if I am looking for a good signal to trade, right, going forward, especially long, in my mind, I look at this. If you just draw this, right, it's all low resistance liquidity, man. Okay, so
likely scenario for me, especially if I have to take a new long, would be that I absolutely would want the price to come back, take all this liquidity, and preferably this daily low, okay, and reverse. So I can have maybe some part of my position at least here, and also what is in the realm of possibility here is to come for price to come here, get to about 3347.8, and then reverse, right? And this is the same level that I talked about even in the last video. So these are the two potential paths I look at right now, right? And for me to get long, this is not the point of to get long. I absolutely want some of the sell side, especially the daily low, to be purged and then reversing from here. All right, so I just thought I'll give a quick update, and I'll see you in the next. Bye now.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.